We are right now at Place Resistance. This roundabout behind me signifies the point where the old fence is separated from the new fence. The old fence is behind me towards the Medina, the old Medina, the ancient Medina, and to my right is the new fence where you see modern buildings and downtown Fez. Fez actually has a population of about 1.3 million people, and it is the second largest city in Morocco behind the commercial capital Casablanca. Casablanca has a population of about 10 million people out of the 60 million people of Morocco, and it is followed by Fez, but by just 1.3 million people. As I said earlier on, this roundabout separates the old Fez, which is symbolized by old Medina city, from the new Fez, where you have modern buildings, modern structures, and the latest development that you can find in Morocco. And this Fez has been the headquarters for the Super Eagles during their first round matches of the AFCON 2025. They won all their 3 games, and they were very, very well settled here, waiting for the round of 16 game against Mozambique on Monday. This report has been brought to you courtesy of Mr. Chef Nigeria, the #1 food seasoning in Nigeria and official sponsors of the Super Eagles.